Hi, Adam Souls here with CLEARBLAST with another simple solution. What we have here is our dosing pump. So if you're using a rust inhibitor as you are blasting steel applications and you don't want that flash rusting, you need that extra 48 to 72 hours of time before you end up getting that flash rust, you're going to be using a rust inhibitor. This dosing pump is going to make it extremely simple. All you have to do is go ahead and hook up your hose to the pump, put the pump into your rust inhibitor, and it will treat your water at whatever ratio you want to set, whether it be 100 to 1 or down to 50 to 1. It is extremely simple. So we'll go over this real quick. First thing, we're going to have our water hose, hook that up to the inlet. And this pump is going to flow left to right. So it comes on in here, gets filtered first through our pump, and then out and into our system. So we'll take the second line, go into the water tank fill of the CLEARBLAST 150. Last, we have the feed line for your rust inhibitor. So you go ahead, put this into your gallon or 5-gallon container of rust inhibitor. You want to make sure that ends up on the bottom, and the filter of this tube is weighted to keep it down there. Once you have that set up, next thing you can do is adjust the ratio in which you're putting into the system. So currently we have it at 100 to 1. Again, depending on the spec of your rust inhibitor, you can adjust that up or down. Typically they're around 100, some are as strong as 50. So you can see here on the left-hand side the ratio, 50, 64, 100, and it goes up from there. Simple, easy, awesome. So it also is able to come off very simple. So again, just like we put it on, I'll unscrew my 2 lines, and with this great bracket, this can actually come right off the system, be stored and safe from your environment when you're not using it with a simple clip. So you can go ahead and put this into your storage, your truck, your garage, whatever that may be. So again, we have the dosing pump with CLEARBLAST. You go ahead and contact us at 888-99-BLAST or info@clearblast.com. So again, Adam Souls with another simple solution with CLEARBLAST.